Today I'm showing you my lovely expressionful octopus using my expression brush set. I've just updated them. You're welcome to check it out, but you can also go ahead and see how I did this multi-expression octopus. One of the challenges I have with cartoons and drawing these cute characters is that I get stuck in terms of eye shape and eyebrows and wrinkles. So one of the reasons why I even made this brush set was to help me whenever I want to kind of stamp expressions, and it's fun when I'm doing animation because then I can just stamp it and not worry about it. So here I've given the octopus 3 expressions. One is of anger, one is looking up being confused, and one is just a normal expression. My favorite is the anger one. I find it really expressive. So on the left you'll see the brush set. I've given stamps of ears and animal faces and smiles and side profiles and front profiles. Noses are one of the fun ones that I have. But the update that I've given is I created some very nice line work brushes as well as some face stamps and a bubble and an eyebrow and freckles. These are things that I've recently started adding in my illustrations. So every time I'll add a few things, I'll just add these expressions into my expression brush set. So you can check it out.